Hello mga ka-tester. Today, we're going to do flight test of my F-11 GPS drone. Okay, I set up this one. Flight distance is 500 meters. Flight altitude 60 meter. But the maximum flight distance of this one, you can max it out on 1,200 meter. Flight altitude is 120 meters. That's the maximum that you can put it. But for me, I put it only on flight distance 500 meters, flight altitude 60 meters only. Just to test this one, how to fly this. Okay, this is the maximum setup of my 500 meter distance and 60 meters altitude. I'm still trying to test how to fly this thing. Okay, now I'm going to try to max my 60 meter altitude. And I'm going to try my 500 meters distance. This thing goes far. So look at that. I cannot see the drone anymore. And it's only like 500 distance. It looks like this is not 500 yet. It's not max yet. On 500. But if I going to set it up on a maximum, it's 1,200 meter. How high this one is on a 60 meter. The maximum flight altitude in this one is 120 meter. I just put it on a 60 meter altitude. try distance again. How far is my 500-meter flight distance? How far is that? I cannot see the thing anymore. Good thing in this drone, the battery capacity lasts long. I got this one less than $300. 2 battery. The GPS camera is up to 2K. There's an extra propeller inside. And same thing, features of DJI drones. Okay guys, thank you for watching for my first flight of my F-11 GPS drone. Thank you guys and have a nice day. See you in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.